Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application, like this one. And as you can see, by default, you will see the contacts that are already on your SIM card. It will be displayed with a number, the tray number that the SIM card is located in. So for me, all of them have one. I only have one SIM card, but these are all the contacts on the SIM. Now to import them so they are on the phone itself, we're going to click right here on this gear icon for settings. And then counterintuitively, we're not going to select import, but copy contacts. This will allow us to copy contacts from SIM card. As you can see, here we have all our contacts. We can quickly select all of them by clicking right here. If you want most of your contacts, you can also utilize this and then deselect contacts that you don't want, like so, and then select copy. It brings up options where you can copy your contacts to. For me, it's only a phone. I presume if I had my Google account signed in on this device, it would give me that as an option as well, but I am not, so it only gives me this single option. So I'm just gonna tap on it. It automatically says that it's copied. And when you go back to our contacts list, as you can see, now all the contacts are duplicated because the phone automatically does pull contacts from the SIM card. So now the contacts, this is showing contacts from the SIM and the ones that are on your phone. Now to get rid of this, because contacts on the SIM card don't have as many options as the ones on the phone, but if you don't want to see them in all of them being duplicated, you can probably create a group where you could group up all the contacts that are on your phone, or alternatively you could use something like Google version of contacts. So you could just open up Play Store, look for contacts and find the ones from Google, and this will give you a significantly better settings for the contacts, which will obviously improve the usability of this kind of function as a contact list. So I would recommend probably checking that out instead. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.